Welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Alpha Society's affiliate program. The first step is to pick a username. In this case I'm just gonna use an example name. Then write out your name and your last name. After that, write your email. Then pick a password and confirm the password. After that, answer this question. I'm gonna pick the first option and then choose the country that you're from. After that, pick your main traffic source. For this example, I'm gonna pick YouTube, and then paste your traffic source URL. I'm gonna paste a YouTube link. It can be your YouTube channel, it can be your blog, absolutely anything. Then confirm this and read the terms of service. Then do the reCAPTCHA and then click join now. Great! So now you have joined Alpha Society's affiliate program and we're extremely excited to be working with you.